Warren Buffett pays less in taxes than his secretary. Jeff Bezos paid $0 in federal taxes in 2007 and 2011. Elon Musk, the richest man on the planet, paid a tax rate of just 3.27% in 2018. Meanwhile, you're probably paying 30% or more. How is that even possible? And more importantly, how can you start using their exact strategies today? Introduction. You work hard. You earn your salary. And the government takes a third of it. But the ultra-rich? They've discovered a secret no one teaches you in school. They're not hiding their money offshore. No, they use 100% legal strategies that you can start applying right now. Today, I'm going to reveal the 7 secret strategies millionaires use to slash their taxes. Be warned. What you're about to learn will change the way you think about money forever. Part 1. The art of never selling stocks. The rich almost never sell their stocks. They hold on to them, and borrow against them. Here's how it works. Imagine you own $1 million worth of Tesla shares. Instead of selling and paying 20% in capital gains taxes, you go to your bank. You use your shares as collateral and borrow $800,000. Result? You've got $800,000 in cash, paid 0 tax, and you still hold onto your shares, which keep growing in value. This is called the buy, borrow, die strategy. Buy assets, borrow against them. Die. When you die, your heirs inherit the shares with a stepped-up cost basis. The tax simply disappears, like magic. And that's just the beginning. Part 2. Holding companies. The secret weapon. Why create a holding company? Because corporations pay way less tax than individuals. In United States, corporate tax is about 25%. Your personal tax bracket might go as high as 45%. Same principle across most countries. You create a holding company. Run your investments, rental income, and dividends through it. Now watch the magic. You can deduct professional expenses, training costs, travel, even your car if it's tied to your activity. Bernard Arnault, the richest man in Europe, structures his entire empire through a network of holding companies. The result? He optimizes every euro, pays the legal minimum. The difference? He knows the rules. Now, so do you. Part 3. Real estate. The tax-reducing machine. Real estate isn't just an investment. It's a tax reduction machine. The rich buy buildings and deduct everything. Loan interest, renovations, depreciation, operating costs. The result? They generate positive cash flow while declaring tax losses. And it's 100% legal. A concrete example. You buy a rental building for $500,000, financed 80% by debt. Each year you deduct $20,000 in interest, $10,000 in renovations, $15,000 in depreciation. Total? $45,000 in tax deductions. If you're in the 30% bracket, that saves you $13,500 in taxes. And that's only the beginning. Part 4. Tax loopholes. Gifts from the government. The government actually offers you tax gifts. You just don't see them. The rich? They collect them like trophies. Buy new real estate? Laws like France's Pinel scheme give up to 21% in tax reductions. Invest in small businesses? 25% off your tax bill. Buy into a startup's capital? Sometimes 50% off. Even buying art lets you deduct the purchase from your taxes. Investing in overseas territories, dom-tom for France, also means massive reductions. Warren Buffett said it best. There's class warfare, all right, but it's my class, the rich class, that's making war, and we're winning. Why? Because they know these mechanisms. Now you can join their side. Conclusion. This is the truth no one will ever tell you. The rich don't pay taxes because they know the rules. They have teams of experts, tax advisors, lawyers. But today, you've discovered their secrets. The buy, borrow, die strategy. Holding companies. Tax-optimized real estate. Legal tax loopholes. These aren't reserved for billionaires. You can start right now. With $50,000 you can create your first company. With $100,000 you can buy your first rental property. The most important thing? Start today. Because every year you wait is thousands of dollars flowing straight into the government's pocket instead of building your future. So, which strategy will you try first? Warren Buffett pays less in taxes than his secretary. The shock of tax inequality. Jeff Bezos paid $0 in federal taxes in 2007 and 2011. The harsh reality of the ultra-rich. Buy, borrow, die, the billionaire strategy. Corporations pay 25%, you pay 45%. The injustice of the system. Real estate isn't just an investment, it's a tax reduction machine. Generate positive cash flow while declaring tax losses. The tax paradox. The government offers tax gifts, but you don't see them. There's class warfare and my class is winning. Warren Buffett's brutal honesty. Every year you wait is thousands of dollars gone. The urgency to act. These strategies aren't just for the ultra-rich. Hope for everyone. If this video opened your eyes to the truth about taxes, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another strategy. Comment below which strategy you're going to apply first. Your financial freedom starts today. And share this video with someone who needs to break free from the tax trap.